Of the three that keep people coming back?
Sure. For my channel, I would kind of summarize it as strange guy that's passionate about things. So it could be that I'm a strange guy that's passionate about keyboards, strange guy that spent way too long researching water bottles or a desk setup or something like that. So it's kind of been nice in that respect.
Okay, I love that, and it's interesting because even I geeked out. I was kind of scrolling through your videos, and I'm like, it just sucks in everybody. So it's not like, you know, it's just super niche. It's just if you're interested in stuff,
yeah,
people vibe with it, right?
The moment you hear a keyboard described as creamy, you take a second. You're like, maybe I wasn't into keyboards, but creamy? Really?
Right.
We're doing that now?
Right. Oh my God.